A normal moment turned terrifying in seconds. A seal suddenly grabs the girl and drags her into the water.
Oh my
Her
God!
dad
Oh
jumps
my
in
God!
instantly to save her. A peaceful moment in the backyard. Out of nowhere, a bear appears with her cub, and the situation turns dangerous in seconds. Instinct kicked in, and the dogs went straight at the bear, trying to stand their ground. But the difference in power was clear instantly. Without hesitation, the woman rushes in to save her dogs from the attack. Imagine riding peacefully, and then you notice a tiger running right behind you. Just pure instinct and survival mode